Okay, let us write a small example on the test-driven development, TDD. So as you know, you do the unit tests using the JUnit, but what is test-driven development? Meaning you first write the test case and then write your code. So once it fails, then IDE will prompt you to add the classes and methods, and you go on adding. Then that's how you build your code. So test case first and then the code. So that way you will get a better code coverage of the testing coverage of the code, and that is the idea. Okay, let us create a project, new Java project, say test. And it is JDK 12. Fine, let us do that. And what is the module name? Say module name com.test. Okay, create. Now we need a JUnit. Okay, let's create a JUnit. Add the JUnit for this. How do you add the JUnit for your project? Build path. Okay, add external archives or add libraries. So JUnit is there. JUnit 5, no problem. Add it. Okay. Now where has it been added? Let us see. To the class path. Okay, added to the class path. Let us see whether that works or not. Create a package. Package name also I want to put com.test. Say example. Even if the module name and package name are same, that doesn't matter. Now let us create a new class called, what are we trying to test? Say let us test, let us imagine there is a person class and he has to say hello. And that means that is the business gave you that requirement. We need a person class who will say hello. Say hello upon calling a method, he has to say hello. So we have to, so the class name is person and we have to test it. So what will be the test class name? What will be the test class name? Person test. Okay, we have to run this, and we don't need a main. Okay. Okay, person test. Then what is the actual method to test? Public void say test person hello. Person say hello. Okay, and this is a test case. So all the methods has to be annotated with test. Okay, now we want to import the JUnit test test classes. Okay, arg.junit. Okay, let's import the arg. Nothing will come. Why? This is the JDK 12 project, and we have added to the class path, not to the module path. Let us move this to the module path. Unit 5 class path to module path because of the Java 12. Okay, person test still not appearing. Why is that? So though we have added to the module path, we haven't specified that we need that module. So what is the module name for JUnit 5 or the jar file? Because these are not migrated to JDK 9, they don't have an automatic module name. So if some jar, old jar, they don't have an automatic module name in the manifest file, the module name, the default module name is derived from the jar file. So the name of the jar file is JUnit. So the name of the module is JUnit. So we have to say requires JUnit. Okay. Now we should be able to import the JUnit classes. Okay. Arg dot Apache. Okay. Arg dot JUnit dot colon. Okay. Now we have to. Now we have to test the say hello method. Okay, asserts equals. It comes from what method? Asserts equal comes from okay, import arg dot JUnit dot. Is there any assert? Okay. Before test, these are all okay. There are high level things, annotations, and what is the package for the okay JUnit.assert. Okay, there must be JUnit.assert must be there. Okay, assert. Okay, assert. Okay, we imported, and assert equal must be a static method. Okay, assert equal. Okay, equals. So whatever method we are expecting that person method is supposed to say hello. So the class that says the person is okay, new, okay. Let us say person dot say hello. So this is a static method, person dot say hello. If you want a instant method, you can say new person. Let's think new person. Okay. So this is a test case we wrote. Now we don't have a person still. So create a person class. So this is what test-driven development is. So you business gave a requirement that there will be a person class, or your designer gave you a requirement, there will be a person class. He says hello, then it has to return hello. Now let us create a class, create a person class in the same package, no problem. That's good. Then say hello. Create a say hello in type person. Okay, that's fine. Say hello. So, why is that? It's something I didn't get correctly. Let's try again. Person dot new person. Oh, you have to call the constructor. Okay. Then only it will become a object, or you will say like that explicitly. Not for the more clarity. Person say some John or Jacob equal to new person. So you created a new person object. Now this Jacob has to say hello. So instead of creating there, created a named object. Now this is more cleaner. Now let's create a say hello in the person class. Okay, but it gave the return type object. It is supposed to pick up the string from the test case. Say hello. Okay, it is returning the hello. Close the string. So it is returning the hello. Now we should be good. Asserts equal, assert equal, okay, equals, assert, okay, or spelling mistake, okay, now it should be good. So let us run the test case. How do you run the JUnit test case? This is the test case. Whom are you testing? We are testing the person object. So let us run as JUnit test. It failed. Why did it fail? Because we are using the JDK tool. What is that? Cannot access class com.test.example.percentest in module com.test because module okay, not that. Okay, cannot access. Okay, cannot access com.test.example.percentest because module com.test does not export com.text.example to module JUnit. So what is the JUnit name? Module name JUnit. So the JUnit module unable to access your %test class because you didn't export your package in JDK modules terms. So you have to export your. You told you require JUnit module, but you didn't. You are not offering your package for others to use, other module to use. So that's what needed. Person.example. Export should be package names. Export. What is the export or exports? Exports, I believe. Yes. Exports come dot this one. Now JUnit will be able to access this package com.example. Now let us run this test case. Hola, it is green. So your classes say hello and it is returning hello. Say hello is returning hello and it is equal and pass it the test case. So this is how you develop. This is called test-driven development. So actual test class is person class. So you may not even write the person test in most of the cases. But in test-driven development, first you write the JUnit test case, then you create the actual your project classes artifacts. And this is called the test-driven development. Thank you very much.